The Razer Seiren Mini, is it worth it or not? Let's talk about it. I am so excited to review this microphone. This will be the first Razer microphone that we reviewed on this channel. I actually bought this microphone with my own money. They did not send it to me, so I just wanted to see if this microphone is worth the hype or not. The Razer Seiren Mini came out about a year and so ago. It comes in 3 colors, black, pink, or white, sells around $40 to $50, and I gotta tell you, this microphone looks so clean, and the unboxing experience itself is just so refreshing. It feels like you're unboxing an Apple product, but a gaming one, which is weird. The microphone itself is really small to compare to other microphones, and it uses a super cardioid pattern, which means you are able to talk to this microphone from any direction in the front, and it's going to pick up your audio. In the box, you're going to be getting a USB cable that is really nice and really sleek material. Unfortunately, one end is micro USB and the other is normal USB. It is not USB Type-C, which is kind of a bummer. And the other thing is that this microphone is going to come with a stand. This stand is pretty hefty, and one of the nice things is you can actually tilt and angle the microphone, so if you want it to face you better, you can actually do that with the microphone, but you are not constrained to that stand and the mount that comes with it. You're able to take the microphone apart and mount it on a boom arm and use it closer to your mouth if you prefer it that way, especially if you're streaming or if you're playing video games on a keyboard and a mouse. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to plug in this microphone into my PC. We're going to do a few audio tests, and I'm going to listen to them and evaluate them, and I'll give you my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and switch to this microphone. Okay guys, so we have the Razer Seiren Mini right in front of me right here. This microphone looks so good, but it has one thing that is kind of very unfortunate. The front of it does not have tap to mute, and it does not have an audio knob on it, so you cannot change the audio from the microphone itself. If you wanted to change the gain, you would have to do it from the settings in your PC. Let's actually test the audio and see how it sounds. This is super cardioid pattern, so we're going to be a little bit closer to the microphone. Test number 1 is going to be an audio test. Let's go ahead and test the microphone. I'm about 6 to 7 inches away from it. 3, 2, 1. What is going on, guys? My name is Give Him Chills, and we are testing the Razer Seiren Mini. This microphone sells around $40 to $50. How does it sound? Is it good or is it bad? I'm really close to the microphone right now and talking in a very deep voice. Test number 2 is going to be a background noise test. We're going to shut up and see how this microphone sounds in 3, 2, 1, and silent. All right, test number 3 is going to actually be a keyboard test. I'm going to put a keyboard in front of it and see how it sounds. Does it sound good, crisp, or too loud? Okay, that was it for the audio tests. I'm going to go ahead and listen to the audio and see if it's good or bad. I'll be back in about 3.5 seconds. Okay guys, so I just finished listening to the Razer Seiren Mini audio samples, and I have to say, this microphone is really good. It sounds super clean and sounds super crisp and rich. Has really good balance between picking up your voice and picking up the bass in your voice. One of the things that I noticed that is very important about this microphone is when you're talking to it, you want to be a little bit closer, like I was, 4 to 5 inches away from it. So what's really unfortunate about this microphone is when you have it on your desk, it's going to be really low. But if you want that rich, deep voice, you want to be a little bit closer to the microphone like I was in the tests. But in my opinion, this mic is totally worth $40 to $50, especially if you will be mounting it on a boom arm, because you can put this microphone really close to you and it will sound super good. That was my opinion about the Razer Seiren Mini. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you around the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.